Majelis Pendidikan Kristen (MPK) of Central Java and Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta held a workshop on November 7 to 8, 2024, titled Wonder and Inquiry. Learners engaged in collaboration with Tritunggal Christian School, celebrating its 35th anniversary. Attended by participants from various schools in the region, the workshop focused on empowering teachers and school leaders. Teachers learned strategies to spark curiosity and engage students, while leaders explored servant leadership and ways to develop their teams. Both groups were encouraged to create thriving environments that glorify Jesus, using their God-given gifts to make a meaningful impact.